Are you looking for a job? Do you live in Israel? Do you speak English? Then this is the perfect video for you. Welcome to the Employment Israel Workshop. And whether you're a new unemployed immigrant or you were born and raised in Israel and you already have a job and you're looking for a new one, this is the right place to be. You're in the right place, the place to find a job in Israel that you love and to do it faster. My name's Claude Massey, and I've been helping people just like you find the things that they love to do and to do them better for over 10 years. I've worked with over 1,500 people in 5 countries. This is the first in a series of training videos in this workshop where I'm going to be teaching you how to find a job that you love in Israel and to do it fast. So you're wondering, how do you find a job that you love in Israel? Well, the goal of this workshop series is to show you the critical things that you need to know in order to start making the money that you deserve while doing something that you love. Because when you're able to get paid well at a job that you actually love, then you can enjoy life more and stop stressing out so much on money. I didn't always have a job that I loved while working in Israel, and I understand how hard it is to find a job. I really do. When I first moved to Israel about 10 years ago, I was an immigrant who did not speak the language and who had to start making money as soon as possible. You see, I moved to Israel for love, but love doesn't pay the bills. And I wanted to be stress-free with enough money to pay the bills. And of course, enjoy some of the finer things in life, like go on vacation and feel comfortable. I didn't want to have to feel stressed out all the time. And only through trial and error and over 400 resumes sent and countless hours on websites did I discover the fastest and simplest way to find a job in Israel in the field that I actually loved. So let's dig in. Welcome to this video that is a LinkedIn tutorial on how everybody is going to be able to find their job just a little bit faster. I want to help everybody who's an immigrant living in Israel. So here's where you start on the link. So the first thing that you do when you arrive to the LinkedIn.com job site area is you need to pick, of course, where you want to find a job, whether it's in the whole country or in a specific city. Of course, you do have that option. Put in the type of job that you're looking for. Now, once you do put in the job type that you're looking for, you have the choice to receive alerts regarding that job type, meaning LinkedIn will send you an email and or a notification on the app every time they post a job in the field that you're interested in. The Easy Apply feature is very convenient for uploading your resume and applying in the fastest way you possibly can. So once you refine your search, whether it's searching over the last week or the last month, you can move forward to the classic view. So when you first start looking, they give you a split view. I find it to be a bit distracting. I think the classic view is the best and simplest view for you to see as many jobs as you can in the neatest, orderly possible way. After you've refined your search, you've put in the field that you want to get a job in, you've put the city in, you refined your search, you've already uploaded your beautiful resume, then you can go ahead and get specific. Once you hit the specific search buttons and you get in there and you don't happen to find anything that you're looking for, feel free to take a few steps backwards. The next thing you can do is start to research the different companies in the different fields that you happen to be interested in. And if you're interested in a very specific field, start there. Start with something that you do want to do. Keep trying, keep researching, understand the companies that you're looking for, and understand what they are looking for, more importantly, whether it's the field of engineering or computer design. Start there, fill out your resume, and then you'll start to notice where your profile will start to match the job types that you're looking for.
So the next thing I want to show you is the ability to delete your past resumes. When you've in the past applied to a place, you can see whether they've seen your application or not. Many of the places you apply to will not have seen your application, and many of them will. Either way, if they're over a month old or 2 months old, you may consider to delete the application or the resume. And you do that by clicking on this button here. And you'll notice in the fine print it tells you that it's going to remove you from the company's database and you cannot apply for another job there within the next week. That's perfectly fine because you'd rather apply for a job there in a week than have your resume sitting at the bottom of a 4-month-old resume stack with hundreds of other candidates on top of your resume. So keep that in mind. Go back into the past, delete the old resumes, and give yourself a fresh new chance to succeed when you're trying to find a job.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Now at this point, the big question is, what's the difference between this employment workshop and any other one? Well, unlike just telling you how to find a job in Israel, this workshop is designed specifically step by step to get you the job that you love as well. In the next video, we're going to discover more about ourselves and knowing exactly what type of career that you could actually enjoy, a job that you could actually love. Because this is so important. So many people hate the jobs that they go to every day, right? But right now I want you to sign up below so I can send you this next video. I'm going to send it to you in the next day or two. So until then, you take care.